So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how to crochet braids with the crimp method. And this is here, y'all. And I actually have a middle part, a left part, and a right part in the front. I used needle and thread, a latch hook I got from AC Moore, scissors, and Marley here I got from sansbeauty.com. I'm showing you that I cornered my hair and that I sewed up the braids at the back, showing you that it's secured. I'm showing you that I connected some braids in the front from my left part, my center part, and my right part. Onto the crocheting. I inserted my latch hook under my braid. I opened it first, then I inserted the hair. I closed the latch hook, pull it under my braid, took out the latch hook, so I'm left with a loop. I inserted the hair through the loop. I twisted once, inserted it through the loop again, and then I pulled the hair up. And I'm basically doing the same thing, inserting it under, then folding the hair in half and inserting it into the hook. Then closing the latch hook and pulling the hair under my braid, left with a loop, showing you that it can be easily moved, inserting the hair through the loop, twisting it once, inserting the hair through the loop again, and that's the style, y'all. Then I'm gonna cut it. I did actually cut it to shoulder length. I did cut off more. I just did not record that part. But I'm showing you how it looks when I put it on either side. If I put it on the right, the left, or if I put it in the middle. You could wear your hair like that, but I didn't want to wear my hair like this because I worn it before like this. So I'm showing you that I combed up my hair before actually doing a plait. I spread it with some conditioner first, then I plait it. And next I'm gonna dip it in some hot water. So I dipped it in the hot water for about 15 to 20 seconds. And it is hot, guys, so I recommend that you sit down for this part. Then I'm just showing you that I'm pulling them out to reveal those beautiful curls, those beautiful, beautiful curls. So crazy. So that's how it looks when I pull all of the plaits out. I didn't like it like that, so I started to separate them to get that kind of big poofy look. And that's about it, guys. I love this Marley here. And I so love this look. Anyway, thanks for watching. And see you in my next video. Bye, guys.